Mr. Brijesh Kapoor, learned counsel for the appellant, state submitted that time and again it has been laid down that while issuing summons, the magistrate is to be satisfied that there is sufficient ground for proceeding, and on the basis of the materials filed along with the second supplementary charge sheet, the magistrate took cognizance of the offences and directed issuance of summons to the respondent, and the same ought not to have been inferred. The learned counsel further submitted that issuance of summons being an interlocutory order, the High Court, in exercise of its revisional jurisdiction, ought not to have set aside the order of issuance of summons. The learned counsel further submitted that the learned single judge erred in proceeding under the footing as if it is a simple case of forgery of the bills of entry, and did not keep in view that the present case is a complex economic offense of sending foreign exchange abroad to foreign companies in Dubai and Hong Kong through Hawala by setting up a web of companies. Placing reliance upon number of decisions, the learned counsel for the appellant state submitted that at the stage of issuance of the summons, the court is not to examine the merits and demerits of the case, and the possible defense are not to be examined. Para. Per contra, Mr. Mukul Rahatogi, learned senior counsel for the respondent, submitted that summoning an accused is a very serious step, and there should be strict examination of the materials on record, and the summoning order must reflect the application of mind by the magistrate. It was further submitted that the alleged statement of Praful Patel dated 1/8/2004 relied upon by the prosecution was rightly held to be in the nature of hearsay and inadmissible qua the respondent. The learned senior counsel further submitted that Praful Patel, who is alleged to have transferred the cash by RTGS to the companies in ICICI Bank, would form a vital link in the alleged flow of money, and they have not been shown as accused, and the contention of the state with regard to the statement of Praful Patel is bereft of any merits. The learned senior counsel further submitted that absolutely there is no evidence to connect the respondent with the companies in ICICI Bank and other foreign companies based in Hong Kong and Dubai, to whom the foreign exchange is alleged to have been sent, and in the absence of any material, learned single judge rightly held that there was no sufficient ground in proceeding against the respondent, and the impugned order of the High Court warrants no interference. He has placed reliance upon on a judgment rendered in Pepsi Foods Limited and another versus Special Judge Magistrate and others, 1998, 5 SCC 749, wherein it has been held that summoning of an accused in a criminal case is a serious offense, and the order of the magistrate is bereft of reasons indicating the application of mind, and the impugned order was rightly quashed by the High Court. Stop.